Welcome to V1 Pilot Flight Training. Today we'll be covering VFR and IFR approach to landing. In this video right now, landing spot is just after the runway numbers and appears stationary 4 inches up on the aircraft windscreen. You now look down the runway at the horizon. When horizon is at your eye level, pitch the aircraft nose up towards the horizon to level off. Now looking down the runway towards the end, when the aircraft starts to sink towards the ground, lift the nose just above the horizon for a flare. In this video, we're turning on to final towards the landing runway in a Redbird FMX flight simulator.
For 500. Consider airport environment. Okay, continue landing. On a glide slope. On course.